Hey y'all, we got some seafood for this lunchtime today with a bunch of lemon rain. Y'all, my mouth is watering so bad. Look, before we get into this, I'm gonna stop right now, right here, and wait on y'all to go follow. Go hit that follow button, go hit that like button, and leave me some we love the mukbangs in the comment section. And then share it to a few of your friends, okay? Now let's get into it. Listen, if you ain't sneezing or coughing, your food ain't seasoned, honey. Because, baby, I've been coughing for an hour cooking this stuff ever since I made the seafood sauce. Y'all, this the Be-Love Smackalicious sauce. And I got some onions. It's so good. Let's get into this lobster tail. Now these people ain't made no noise. Ain't made no noise this whole time. Soon as I press record, they want to be disrespectful. I hope they call. No, let me shut up. Cause baby, I wouldn't want nothing to happen to that 2025 sitting outside, honey. And I was gonna say something that I don't really want to say. But let's get into this piece of lobster tail, y'all. If I can get it out the shell. It's so hot. I just took this food off the stove. As y'all can see, that lobster tail is seasoned, baby. I used Old Bay. And this is what I use cooking the corn, potatoes, eggs, crab legs, and lobster tails. I put Old Bay, Cajun boil, Old Bay, Cajun boil, and maybe garlic. I don't know. I forgot. But I know whatever I had did, it had me and my child up in here coughing. Y'all want a bite? Y'all get the first bite. Let's get the rest of that potato. Some onions. This is why I need Be-Love's mouth wipes, y'all. This is why we gotta get them. We gotta we gotta run, don't walk. Especially if we eat this crab, this seafood boils every day. Let's put some potatoes out the way. Cause I wanna get into the crab leaf. Dang, come on. Come on, baby, come on. Yeah, I'm so glad I'm getting new furniture because, baby, I don't know what I'll be in this living room doing. This stuff is spicy. That's why we sneezing and coughing. Cayenne pepper. Slap your mama spicy. The hot one. Tony's. Cajun. And Cajun, Louisiana. Black pepper. And all that jazz. Don't tell me I overcooked my crab. That's why I should have put them in the oven. Cause baby, we can't have none of the bad breakage. Ooh, excuse me, said the big old pig out doing the button. Oh, and loving. Never mind. Well, since I'm gonna say a loving memory, but it was in the wrong context for the wrong person. I'm gonna say in loving memory of if you like watching mukbangs or you a mukbanger yourself, I'm quite sure you know lips. Cause baby, can't nobody pop and smack and eat like lips, honey. So rest in peace to him. Got me a little piece of corn. Oh, baby. The seasoning is off the chain. Let's get the rest of this lobster tail out of the tail. I got a little plate right there. Excuse me. Delicious. Let me rub my nose. BRB. Okay, where were we? Think I want another potato. That's where I was. And while I was off camera, I had broke some of them legs up. Cause it might be a part 2 to this. Cause I'm just getting started. So fresh. So good. So naturally salty. Please don't go putting no salt in. I can't even talk. Dang. Don't let me make y'all seafood boil sauce. Cause y'all ain't gonna be able to say nothing. Like that. So good. Might not be a part 2. My battery on low. Number one thing being a social media, whatever, do anything on social media, make sure before you turn the camera on that your battery is on full. Bye, y'all.